Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dual Electronics DC207BT radio and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this if you're just installing it as a new radio and you want to have everything removed, or if you're having any troubleshooting, like it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not responding or not acting right, or if you're just installing it from somebody else, or if you just want to get a fresh start and have everything deleted, you can just have it restored to its factory defaults. What you need to do is just find the reset button, and the reset button is just below the wheel, but it's behind the faceplate. So you need to remove the faceplate, and then right about here, you'll see the small reset button, which you can just press and hold for a second, and that will restore all of the factory defaults so that it will be like it was when it came out of the box. So you'll need to, any presets you had will be deleted. You'll also need to repair the radio with any devices you have. Once you've reset it, you can put the face back on and set it up again. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.